Today we'll be discussing about the health and safety management practice. This is the second unit of OTHM Level 6 Diploma. So in this second unit, there are actually two tasks that has to be completed. Task 1 and task 2 that has to be completed. So in these two tasks, there are clear-cut instructions, what you have to complete, how you have to complete, what are all the sections you have to complete. So in the task 1, you have to make a detailed report, which would be 3,000 to 4,000 words. This would be a detailed report, and that report will be dealing with management plan, performance review, and audit review, audit report. So three aspects you will be covering in this. You will be writing about the management's plan. Then you will be writing about the performance review of the company and the audit done at the company. So this would be more or less of less than 4,000 words. So you'll be writing. So what you'll be writing in the management plan? Management plan, this role of senior or board members. What is their plan? How will be they doing the review, management review? How would be they practicing? Then what is the management's target? Like what is their target? What is the incident ratio? What ratios they are willing to decrease it? How many accidents has happened? So what would be their future plan to reduce the accident? Then next auditing, as we said, audit performance review. Performance review, we will be using reactive and proactive measures, proactive indicators we will be using like audits, and then we will be using inspections, all those things. Audit report, auditing we will be practicing, and then audit reports will be made. So this is all about our task 1. So let me give you one example of how we will be dealing with this task 1. So first one, we will be dealing with the management plan. In the management plan, what is the management role, who is the responsible person, then what goals and targets they are setting. Okay, how will be they achieving this zero lost time injury in the next 12 months, how they will be achieving. And then performance target, 100% staff participation in mandatory training. This is just an example for that. Okay. Then while managing the plan, what are all the resources that is available? If not available, what kind of arrangements they are going to make so that these resources are available? For example, dedicated health and safety officer, then PP, training resources, and all those things. Okay. Then, as we told, performance review. Second one is performance review, and third one is audit report. So, performance review, how you would be you would be identifying the performance review. You'll be using proactive indicators and reactive indicators. By using proactive indicators means what? You'll be doing those you'll be using those indicators before the accident that has happened. So, what is the near miss report of that company? Say inspections has been completed or not? Employee participation has been done or not? So, these are proactive indicators. This you will be writing in the report. This will be showing the data in the report. If you can use any kind of tabular charts, etc., to show in the report, that would be better. Okay, and then reactive indicators, once it has happened, after the accident has happened. So number of accidents and lost time injuries, insurance claims, etc. This is also you can use data from your company to show in a report. Okay. Then performance review, what kind of review, how the company's status is, how much improvement has shown in the decrease of accidents. Has the accidents has increased from the past or accidents has decreased from the past? So analysis you have to do. So that is how you have to prepare the report. Now moving into the third section of the task 1, that is audit report. Now what kind of auditing methods, monitoring techniques you have using? So workplace inspections, employee survey are you doing? Then what kind of techniques you have used? You have to mention it, and you have to also mention this outcome of the report. So what outcome? What is the outcome? Whether the PP is available or not, and whether the factors that you have checked in the audit, what is it? What is it? What is the analysis? What is the report that you have to say? Then ultimately you have to tell the recommendation that this many increase in accidents has happened. These are the findings. In that way you have to say. So this you will be writing for your company, the company which you are choosing. So in that company, what is the management doing? What is the management roles? What is their target? Target means how they are going to do the HSE's targets. The HSE's target means what? The accident analysis report, and all those things you will be writing. Then what is the resources that is available at the company, and how you will help it to improve, or what resources are not available. Then you have to measure the performance, where the organization is standing now, where your organization is standing now in terms of accidents and incidents and how you are measuring, that is proactive and reactive indicators. And also you have to mention about the audit findings that you have done in your company after the audit that you have done. Okay, so this will complete your task one. Now, when you are moving into the task two, see this unit one consists of task one and task two. So when you're moving into the task two, this is task two is much more simple. Okay. So here you have to write about corporate social responsibility, CSR, and this essay is less than 2000 words you can use. Okay. Corporate social responsibility and ethical code of conduct. So in this corporate social responsibility, how you are doing welfare, how you are, so what you have to write, you have to cover in these terms, how you are doing the employee welfare, environmental responsibility, what kind of environmental sustainability responsibility you are taking, how you are making policies that are actually helping the employees that these programs are known as CSR programs, corporate social responsibility. You might have seen Reliance conducting cricket matches, Tata Group conducting, sponsoring cricket matches, then sponsoring education, sponsoring people for Olympics. So these are all corporate social responsibility. These are all social responsibility. Now, what is the social responsibility? Employee welfare, then protecting the people, promoting welfare of the workers, then also environmental possibility, protection, environmental responsibility like protecting the rivers, then removing the plastics and all those things. Stakeholders impact. That means the people who are surrounded by your companies, surrounding, living nearby to your company's industry. So there also how you are actually helping those people, helping their education, helping the air quality improvement, etc. So how you have to write this, for example, you should say that give any kind of example how your company is helping the people around you or the people who are working in the company to improve their life, not they're giving salary and notes. You should not write that way. You can write as sponsoring some kind of educational program, some kind of meaningful program which the company is doing to the people, not to the employees. Employees, yes, that's right. But this is next level. This is corporate social responsibility to the society, what the company is doing. So that is why the amount of words that you have to write in this corporate social responsibility is also less. Hardly it is less than, like hardly it is 1200 to 1750 words, like less than 2000 words. So just a report, you can write what if your company is doing any kind of CSR program, that is better. If it is not doing, then you can write in a way that company is providing for the education of the people who are working over there, or who are residing in the vicinity of your company. So educational program. You can here also you can give data, because whenever you are giving data to your projects, it becomes much more authentic. So you are saying that this many amount of students, number of students has been given education scholarships. So for that, this many amount of money has been allocated for that in this financial year. So while you are writing in these terms in this financial year, it becomes much more authenticated. So that is how you have to complete this unit two. Thank you.